Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto pasta with vegetables. First, gather your ingredients: fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and good quality olive oil for the pesto. Next, choose your favorite pasta, like penne or fusilli, and a variety of colorful vegetables such as cherry tomatoes, zucchini, and bell peppers. Finally, make sure you have a food processor or blender ready to create that vibrant, homemade pesto. Now, let's make that delicious pesto. Add 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese into your food processor. Pulse these ingredients a few times. Then, with the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil until the pesto reaches your desired consistency. Finish by seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, cook your pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, heat a large skillet with a tablespoon of olive oil. Add your chopped vegetables, like cherry tomatoes, sliced zucchini, and bell peppers, and sauté them for 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender crisp. Remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water before draining your pasta. This will be key later. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, combine your hot, drained pasta with the sautéed vegetables and generous spoonfuls of your fresh pesto. Toss everything gently until the pasta and vegetables are beautifully coated. If the sauce seems a little thick, add a splash of that reserved pasta water to achieve a wonderfully creamy consistency. For more great deals, and to grab your own Little Trees black ice, check out the links in the description below. Serve immediately, and enjoy your homemade pesto pasta with vegetables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.